So the grind don't stop, according to Sicily. ATC on top, according to Sicily. Gotta drops on drops, according to Sicily. If they like that shirt, subscribe, do that for Sicily. So the grind don't stop, according to Sicily.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to teach Kaden how to make a chopped meat sandwich. I have to update a client website and we're going to install my Valentine's Day chandelier. So if you want to see how it all goes down, keep watching. Let's start off with this recipe, y'all. But before we get too deep into the video, let me just let you all know this is a collab. It's a power hour hosted by Jessica Myros. So I'll be sure to have her information down in the description box in case you guys want to join and watch the rest of the playlist. So we're making a chopped meat sandwich. I don't know what y'all call it, but I call it good. So we're going to pull out all of the seasonings, and y'all already know I got my sous chef on deck and he is ready to assist. Yeah, you open it. Pick it up. Y'all, Daniel was so proud of himself that he was able to open up all of the seasonings. He just didn't know what to do with himself. So I'm trying to show you the seasonings as best as I can, but y'all, he was moving fast. So you basically want to season your meat to taste. He threw all the onions in there, y'all. He's ready. I believe we used some brown sugar, dry rubbed, some garlic salt, a little bit of adobo, and some pepper. But again, season it to taste. Add you about a half an onion, and you just want to chop up your burger patties and get them nice and brown. It probably takes about 10 minutes total. I was adding this grease to the pan so we can make some French fries. But once the burgers cook for about 5 or 6 minutes on each side, you'll be able to chop them up easily, and you're going to come in and add cheese. For those that are new to my channel, let me stop and introduce myself. Hello, my name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mom by way of sickle cell anemia to 2 young boys. That's one Daniel, and my eldest is Kaden. And I figured it was important for me to make content to show the world that if I can make it through hospitalizations and frequent pain crises, I want to encourage you that you can make it with whatever is thrown your way. You can do it, and we can do it together. So I enjoy posting vlogs, decorating videos. I like doing DIYs and a lot of hauls. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe and join the fam, because we love to have you. All right, y'all, so we shredded up our lettuce, and then we let the Portuguese buns bake in the oven on 350 for about 5 minutes. It's just long enough for them to get nice and warm. You don't want to over toast them. We're going to go ahead and add mayonnaise and brown it in the pan and come back and assemble our sandwiches. Comment down below, let me know, do you cook in the kitchen with your kids, or do you prefer that they stay out of the kitchen? I know growing up, kids weren't really allowed in the kitchen, so I just know that I parent a little differently. So I enjoy getting feedback from you all just to see how you all do things in your home. But I feel it's important to teach my sons these recipes so that when I'm no longer here and they're out on their own, when they're out on their own, they can go ahead and take care of business and feed themselves and their families. And right here, we just had to stop and take us a little coffee break. And as soon as you do one thing for one kid, the other one wants it. So they both wanted some whipped cream. All right, you guys, if you're still here thus far, do me a favor and pop this emoji down in the comments. I thank you guys so much for being here with us. So as y'all can see, I just added lettuce, tomato, and bacon and wrapped the sub sandwiches up in foil because that makes it easier to cut. This is how they look when they're done. Now we can move on to our next task, which is updating the contact information on a client website. If you guys want to know how to build websites, let me know, and I'll definitely, I can do a series to begin to teach you. And if you want to just have me build one for you or create other content, you can check out my website, www.accordingtocicely.com, where you can see the different services and web design packages that I have to offer. So by the time I got done doing this, I probably had about maybe 30 minutes left on my hour, but to be honest with you, I went ahead and went over because I was so excited. I got a Valentine's Day gift that I really wanted, which was a chandelier. So that's what we'll do next to wrap up the video, is install our chandelier. All right, y'all, we're halfway through today's video, so we got to stop and do our subscriber shout out. If you want to be shout out, it's easy. Just join the gang and leave us a comment down below so you can be featured next. Today's subscriber shout out comes from the last Amazon Favorites unboxing video, and the commenter is Giselle Virali. Girl, forgive me if I am mispronouncing your name. She writes, "Hi Cicely, hope you're having a great weekend. Love your hair. I've said it before, it's beautiful. Your son is lovely. Love me some organization ideas, and those clear bins are so cute. Jen is so lovely and nice." Thank you so much, girl, for your comments. Yes, everyone absolutely loves Jen. She is amazing, and I'm glad you are enjoying the content, and thank you for noticing my hair. All right, y'all, let's get into the next part of the video where we are going to install this chandelier. Guys, so basically what I'm showing you right here is there's a big hole and then there are smaller holes. You want to take your screw and line up these little connector poles. There's a hole on each side, and you want to line them up with the screw, the connector pole, and the big hole. There's 4 of these so that you can use the little connector poles to attach this big round gold bracket to the base. Hopefully that makes any type of sense, and I'm just showing you here the 4 spots on the actual chandelier, how it connects to the base. This is basically an overview, and if you want to see in depth of how to actually do the electrical side of installing this chandelier, just leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to do an in-depth video. I just didn't want this one to be too long. What's cool about this chandelier in particular, there is no electricity in the ceiling where it's being installed. So I had to basically take what's called a hard wire chandelier and transform it to become a plug-in chandelier. So if you want to see, like I said, the process of that, just comment down below and I'll be sure to make a separate video for you all. So all right, you guys, I'm just showing my son how to install the crystals. Caden is always around to be my little helper. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I just want to thank you guys again for watching, and be sure to check out the playlist down below so you can see the rest of the content from the other ladies. See you in the next one, and remember, if I can do it, you can do it. One video at a time. We are erasing the stigma surrounding sickle cell. Be blessed.
ATC on top, according to CICELY. Gotta drop some, according to CICELY. Hit that like, that, share, subscribe.